You can also make a video by using this PowerPoint recording. For example, these are the two slides. First slide consisting of the parts of the computer, and second slide consisting of the uses of computer. So these two are the different topics. So how I can record and make a video by using the PowerPoint, we will be learning over here. For example, for coming to our first slide, the parts of computer. So first, I need to record this. For example, if I want to record lively, how should I record it? For example, there is an option called insert. In the insert, you need to go to the sound option. So click on this sound. So you'll be getting different types of options here. So if you want, if it is already the voice is recorded, then you need to go to sound from file. But as of now, I want to record myself now directly. So just click on record sound. You have got the option. So just name, give a file name for this, a simple file. Option called record. Click on the option called record option here. Just click this. Parts of computer. So first one monitor, second one is CPU, third one is keyboard, and fourth one is mouse. Now whatever I said is recorded here, and this is a recorded audio file. So you can keep it anywhere over there. It's not a big problem. Now coming to second one, uses of computer. So for this, I have already created and recorded in a software called WavePad or Audacity. So I am choosing from there. Click for the sound option and click on sound from file. So in this, you'll be getting the different types of options where you have saved. So this is the computer uses. I have already saved it, and click OK. So you'll be getting the directly that file. Click automatically. What is this automatically? Automatically means when the student clicks the PowerPoint slide, your voice will come automatically. No need to click on the slide. So click automatically. So you have got the audio file. Keep it anywhere on the slide, wherever you want. Your work is done. Just go to file. There is one more option. So the sound, just double click on this. So here what we need to do is, so you need to select the one automatic sound, play sound. There is an option called play sound. Just make it to automatically. Sound should be every time automatically. This is already, it is automatically. So now select the two slides, or select the first slide, go to the animation and click automatically. Slides also should be automatically. First one is sound should be automatically, and second one slides also should be automatically. Second, click on the second slide. In the animations, just uncheck it and click on automatically. No need to set the time over here. So now save it. Go to file, click on save. This you should save it with the option PowerPoint show. This is called as PowerPoint show. Just click on this. It enables you to view in the as a video. So topic computer introduction, something like this. Make it to desktop for better viewing and click save. Let's check the preview of this. Just close this. Now this is our video. Just open this. It views directly. Your two slides video with voice will come directly now. A teacher can send a mail this video directly to the students. Parts of computer. So first one monitor, second one CPU, third one keyboard, and fourth one is mouse. Uses of computer. The computers are used in school, office, library, airports, railway stations, hospitals, banks, and shopping malls.